Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP JPY, British Pound, Japanese Yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP JPY in front of us right now. If you have watched my yesterday's video, then hopefully you made good profit, because I clearly mentioned on my yesterday's video that we will be having a good opportunity to short the market at this particular resistance. Personally also, I have taken a trade. Yes, I took a trade and I also made some money, and hopefully you made some money too. So let's see what should be our strategy for the day. So if you look at the chart of GBP JPY, then you can see that overall setup of the chart has not changed yet. Yes, I have added this trend line, but overall setup has remained the same. At the bottom, we have got 149.50, this level as the strongest level or the strongest support in the market, because this level belongs to the weekly chart, and we have seen that whenever market has witnessed selling, this level always provided support to the market. So 149.50 still remains the strongest level on the chart, and we can hope that whenever market will be coming down to 149.50 level, market will get the necessary support and we can go for the buy. So 149.50 level is the number one trading opportunity on the chart of GBP JPY. And the second trading opportunity on the chart of GBP JPY is the resistance level at 152 to 150.50. Yes, this whole zone is the resistance level, resistance zone for the market. Because see, generally we prefer to draw a support line, resistance line, but in general, in reality, we cannot define a resistance and support just with the help of a line. It is a zone in the market like this. This is a zone, of the buyers where buyers are present. This is a zone of the sellers where sellers are present. So 152 to 152.50 is the place of sellers. So, and additionally, you can see that I have drawn a trend line here. Yes, this trend line is also present in the market, and yes, hopefully when market will be going up, then there's a good possibility of market reversing from this level, because we have a double resistance. Yes, we have a double resistance. First resistance is in the form of the trend line, and the second resistance is in the form of this whole seller's zone. So there is a good possibility of market reversing from this particular level, and therefore this is our second best trading opportunity on GBP JPY. And if you enter here, or if you short the market here, listen to me carefully. If you short the market here, then just make sure that you exit here. Yes, this you can exit here at 150.70. This should be your target, because this is the 50% retracement level of Fibonacci, and you can see that yesterday also market came down and bounced from here. So in case you short the market at the resistance, then this will be your take profit target. And as of now, market is trading here. So as you know, and if you have been watching my videos, then you know that I do not prefer to take trades in the middle. I prefer to take trades only at the levels. I only trade on levels. So if you are a beginner, if you cannot afford to lose any money, then please listen to me. Do not take trades in the middle. Only take trades when market comes down to your territory. Do not chase the market. Let the price come to you. And last month I have launched the Pro Trader program, where I share the best trading opportunities in the market. If you're interested, just go to my website Pro Trader section on the avilashhazarika.com. You'll find all the information. So that's it. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.